So what exactly is restricted mode? Essentially, it's a feature on YouTube designed to provide users with a safer browsing experience. When restricted mode is enabled, YouTube filters out potentially mature or inappropriate content. This can be particularly useful for parents, educators, and individuals who prefer a more family-friendly environment. When restricted mode is turned on, you can't view comments on the videos you watch. Note that restricted mode works on the browser or device level, so you must turn it on for each browser you use. If your browser or device supports multiple profiles, you must turn on this mode for each profile. To turn off restricted mode on the YouTube app for iPhone, you can follow these steps. First, you have to open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Then you can tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Here you scroll down to Settings, tap on it. And here you see General. And then you see Restricted Mode. If restricted mode is enabled, you will see a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. If the switch turns gray, it means restricted mode has been successfully turned off. Exit the settings page and start browsing YouTube without restricted mode.